Hi everyone, Anna's here, and she's going to help us out with 12 times 12. Now Anna, lots of kids tell me when they do 12 times 12, you know what they do? I'm going to show you. They go 12 times 12, and they split this 12 into 10 and 2, and this one into 10 and 2. Then they just tell me that the answer is 10 times 10 plus 2 times 2.
Ooh.
And so they tell me the answer is 104.
Ooh.
But that's not nearly enough, is it?
No, it's not anywhere close.
Okay, so let's show them on, I've got this really cool thing right here. And let's show them on this. So what I have here is I have 12 times 12, okay? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So to figure out 12 times 12, we have to figure out how many squares in total are here, right? And it doesn't matter how we count, but let's try to do it their way. So the first thing that they told me they did is they split the 12 into 10 and 2. So shall we take some scissors and we'll cut this, because this is 12, so we can cut just right along here. Do you want to cut that for me?
Sure.
I'll hold it
Right
for
along
you.
here?
That will be 11 in one. We've got to do 10 right over here. This line right here, yep. Perfect. Yep. Okay, so 10, right? And 2. So there's one of the splits. And we still have to figure out everything in total. But they also do the other 12. So there's 12 here, right? 12 here. So we have 12 going down this way.
So I cut right here, right?
Yeah, so we have to cut, because this will be 10. And you've got to cut the whole thing. So let me just, yeah, I've got it. Perfect. And then we have to, yeah, exactly. Great. All right. So we have 4 pieces here, right? Can you help me hold just a couple of them and we'll identify some of them? So see there 2 and 2? That's this one right here.
Yeah.
So they're counting these ones.
I think they also have the 100, because it's 10 times 10 is 100.
Yeah, so this one right here, this one right here, this is 10 times 10. So they have that one as well. So they have this one, and they have this one.
But
look
they're
what
missing these 2.
Yeah, which is?
2 times...
So 2 times 10. That's one of them, right? And then you said you've got...
I got another one over here.
So 2 times 10 and 2 times 10.
So that's 40. They're missing a lot.
And so all together then, how much do they have? They have 100, 120, 140, 144. Because we have to find the total amount of squares here. So then 12 times 12 equals 144. That was great, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.
Hi, everyone. Louis here. He's got a really good idea of how to figure out 12 times 12, right?
Yeah.
So I've already put stuff out here. So I put out 12 groups of 12.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to show everyone. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there is 1 group of 12.
2 groups of 12.
2 groups of 12. And we can just keep
3 groups of 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so to figure out 12 times 12, we have to figure out how many in total here. So how do you want to figure out how many dots are here?
Can we split the 12 into 10 and 2?
Yep. So 10 and 2. Okay, so that means that we're going to have 12 groups of 10. Let me just write this down. So 12 groups of 10 and 12 groups of 2.
Yeah.
And let's show them where that is here. We can just check this out. We can just move over 2 from each one, right?
Yeah.
So let's do that for each one. All right. Okay, so right here then, we have 12
Yep.
groups of 10.
Yep.
12 groups of 10. So how many is here, Lily?
Well, 12 times 10 is 120.
Yeah,
so-
you can just go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, all the way up to 120. And then we have 12 groups of 2 because we've got 1, 2, and we've got 12 of them, right?
Mhm.
So this right here is 12 groups of 2.
Yeah.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah. It's 24.
Okay, so plus 24. So to figure out the total amount here, we just have to add 120 plus 24.
Mhm.
So what is that?
144.
144. So 12 times 12 equals 144.
Yeah.
Great job.
Thanks. Bye.